Yes, we're on this Uniden 400 finally after changing the phase lock loop chip and lots of other things and putting the meter in out of a DNT. We're putting the scale out of this. It hasn't really said anything. I know it's got the wrong knobs. It's kind of Alan to send us this. And we'll see whether Mr. Chippy is out there. Now, CPT, we get a lot of residual background noise, and we often find we can only get, well, 1 mile. Tango 21 test. Excellent. Now something's not right. I'm turning the wrong knob, I think. I wonder if it's got a Duff speaker. Just talk to me again.
Yes, 54321. By the way, we've got something on this channel on SSB.
Yeah, this is exactly the problem. Let me just put the extension speaker in first.
Yeah, Roger that.
Try channel 28.
Roger, 28.
Are you on channel?
Yep, roger that.
Right, we'll give this one a go.
Roger, are you ready then?
I'm ready.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Excellent. Now I'm going to do a tone switch thing.
Alright, well I didn't think it was going to have a tone control with it being a European set. I thought that'd be too modern over.
Well, there you go. It's I think they're about 1987, these.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, I got some interference then. This can be a problem because it's difficult for you to change channel. Got you at the end of the lane.
Roger, end of the lane. I'm stationary, so do you want to pick a channel?
Just one moment, I'll find another one. Tango 21.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh.
Try 17 over.
17 and go.
Tango 21 on channel.
Yep, roger that, I'm there.
Excellent, let's take it from here then.
Roger that, right, we're passing Ancaster service station and it's open and it's 143.9 and 145.9.
Roger, got you at that price, etc.
Roger, end of the lane. I'm stationary, so do you want to pick a channel?
Just one moment, I'll find another one.
Roger.
Der Nähe der jugoslawisch-ungarischen Grenze. Sehr schönen guten Abend zu dir. Tango 21.
Yeah, go ahead.
Try 17 over.
17 and gone. Yep, roger that, I'm there.
Excellent, thank you for being there.
Roger that, right, we're passing Ancaster service station and it's open and it's 143.9 and 145.9.
Roger, got you at that price, etc.
Roger. One of the words I made out from the interference, which quite clearly nice clear FM, was Yugoslavia or something like that, so if that's coming from that direction, there's a fair bit of lift on today.
Yes, I think it has been all week. It's when we tested that minus M5 star. Do you remember we had to change channel on that to 30? There's still a bit.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're almost square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads, but we're off again.
Roger, we've got a mile out of it.
Good. top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, well, I've got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I do have...
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, well, I've got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I do have some noise on that, but you are readable.
I'm on the Uniden UDX400, which is called PR27GB FM European band only, and the radio is 3.6 watt range.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Now we're going to attempt the 5 mile point with this.
No, did you get over?
We're going to go to the... That woke me up. I'm going to the 5 mile point.
Yeah, Roger, we'll do the 5 mile point, but just for an extra.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
very busy on here tonight. I think the main roads, the A17's closed, so it's difficult reversing in over.
Okay, Roger.
I'm positioned incorrectly as well. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy, who went out at the 5 mile point.
Tango 21 got you at the 5 mile point. One is Uniden, Uniden 400, there's a CPT only FM set, and it's doing 930 milliamps to 3.6 watts. So that's really all I can say about it. It doesn't have UK spec, it doesn't have high-low power. So, back to you.
Yep, roger that. Well, that was all received, despite there being a fair bit more interference than would be normal.
Absolutely, yes. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the move.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy, we're now going over raw speed level crossing. Over. I'll tell you the petrol prices because you probably want to know. 143.7, 145.9. Over.
43.7, 145.7.
Yep, roger that.
Good, well, good reading that. Thank you for that.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Roger got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
I'll tell you the petrol price because you probably want to know.
143.7, 145.7, I think you said. Over.
Yep, I'll do that.
Good, well, I did read it. Right, well, thanks for that, and we've completed the test. Over.
Yep, I'll do that.
10-10. Right, what a racket. This is the problem. We had to change several times. When I did the repair on this video and I put it on the same aerial and we flicked through the channels, there was virtually nothing on apart from residual background noise. But if I just turn the squelch down, and it's not just because of the lift on, there's a lot of people using illegal power, so you know, don't think you're going to get back to them because you're not. Right, I'll go through to our Uniden 620 base station with it being a CPT set and we'll see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, so it's in the Uniden 400, the standard replacement microphone, into our Uniden 620